Hey guys, so I have here my JBL TUNE750BTNC headphones, and I want to show you here really quickly how to replace the ear pads of these headphones. So I'm going to show you this here on the example of the left side, but it does work the same way on the right side as well. And so all I'm going to use here is like my old pocket knife that is relatively dull. So I'm not going to cut myself here. I'm going to just slide this in at the top of the ear pad here. You see here between the ear pad and the headphones themselves, I'm going to slide this into this little slot here. It's going to fit in there, and as soon as I have it as far as it goes down, I'm just going to pry out the ear pad with the ear cushion by just turning and twisting the pocket knife a little bit, and then you see here this pops open, and at this point you can easily pry off the rest of the ear pads with your hand and see how this works here. This is how this looks like. See here these couple of notches here. These hold the ear pad in position. And there's a total of 6 of these notches here, and so you have to remove the ear pad from all of those, and then you can replace them really easily. So in case you already have your replacement ear pad from JBL themselves, or you found them online someplace else, then you just take this and make sure you have it in the right orientation. So like in this case you still see the L in the ear pad, and you just firmly press it onto the ear cup, and then you're already set. So yeah, this is already it here, the replacement of the ear pads. And if you have any more questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones.